Hello my friends, when I found out Chanel Spring Collection, second collection available at Chanel Boutique Tampa, I ran like a rabbit because I know I need to see this collection. Oh my god, it's pretty big collection. 2 nail colors, 2 lip balms, 2 lipstick, 4 cream eyeshadow, beautiful trio blush, and gorgeous Camélia eyeshadow. Let me show you some items which one I purchased. Of course, I don't get whole entire collection. It's a little bit pricey, but of course I got the best items for you and me to see. But I do have a little shorts where I show you whole entire collection, and of course I swatch all items. You know I like to talk, but let me show you these items, which one I have for you to see right now. This is its blush, $75. We have with you 0.31 ounce of product or 9 gram of product. I want you to look at these gorgeous details on this blush. We have a beautiful, gorgeous Camélia here. We have a CC logo here. Also, we have 3 different colors with you. All these colors, it's matte. We have a very light peachy color. Then we have with you a beautiful, bright, I would say not too bright, but it's pretty nice orange color. And last color, I will say orangey brick color. Also, this blush, it's coming with a nice, beautiful brush. I'm very happy. I'm so excited. I personally know this is blush gonna be one of the hottest item because it's pretty, it's unique, and I like this blush. It's matte. Next, it's eyeshadow, 387, color name Utopia. Remember, it's limited edition. We have with you 2 grams of product or 0.7 ounce product here. $76 retail price for this gorgeous color. Yes, it is spring collection. Yes, this is definitely beautiful spring color. We have a beautiful, I would say, rosy, peachy color. Then we have a light pearl color. Then we have a beautiful light gray color. And another color. Ooh, I need to swatch to see, but looks like it's a beautiful, I will say, metallic-y or I don't know, hologram color. We need to try this, but look at these details. Oh my god, it's so pretty. You know, when I buy something like this, sometimes I don't even want to touch. I just want to keep and look and look and look. It's gorgeous. Next, I have for you lip color. This collection have a 2 lipstick rouge allure lilac. I choose this one, color 87. It's a matte color. This beautiful peachy orange color. I love how this lipstick stays. Just love this color. Next, I have for you eyeshadow. This is color taupe, number 58. Beautiful color. I love this formula. It stays so good. You can use this cream eyeshadow as eyeliner. You can use this eyeshadow as your eyeshadow primer. Just love this product. Very nice texture, very nice color. After I swatch this blush, I can see truly now all colors. First, it's a light pink color. Second color, it looks more coral, and last color it is orange color. This blush, it's not a don't have much pigment, also have a perfume. It is scented blush, and it's definitely matte. I have for you eyeshadow number 387, Utopia. It's definitely beautiful spring colors. I personally prefer these colors for work. It's my saddle work eyeshadow palette. We have a beautiful top color, rosy color, white color, pearly color, and it's a beautiful shimmery color. I will say it's your top coat eyeshadow. This is eyeshadow if you're gonna apply without anything underneath, you're gonna see really light sparkles. But if you're gonna put on top of this pink color, or even on top of this top color, you will see, and your eye makeup will gonna look spectacular. And of course, look at this Camélia right here. It's so pretty. It's actually a great present for anyone. And let's look at these four colors really close. Yes, first color, the lightest color, it's a beautiful pearl color with little bit pinky undertone. Then we have a very saddle top soft color. Third color, I will say it is beautiful iridescent sparkly color, and last color, it's a beautiful satin color, and this is, I will say, it's a beautiful rosy color. Personally, I really like satin color top and this rose, and of course this top in color. This color, I'm not sure if I like how product goes on my skin or layering, but of course I'm gonna create a beautiful eye makeup look for you. And let's do a work look. I just choose 4 items because I feel this is the best items, and this is the best item to create a fabulous look. And my total, we stuck together, $256. Oh my god, I'm glad my mom don't understand English. Let's create a fabulous spring look. Wait, I have one more items for you to see. I asked my fabulous friend Carlos if he can make a sample for me. This is his brand new illuminator, and he make me samples. I'm so happy. Can you see this glow? Oh yeah, it's so pretty. You can use it as a highlighter, you can mix it with your foundation, you can use it on your body. Gorgeous! I already have foundation, concealer on my face, I feel a little bit my eyebrows, and now I'm ready for a fabulous makeover with this beautiful spring collection from Chanel. Today I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use cream eyeshadow very close to my lashes, and then I'm gonna blend up. Do you know why? This is beautiful and gorgeous, but it's very subtle, and I wanna make a beautiful sexy look. Plus, I'm a makeup artist who in this industry 20 years. I'm not just reviewing products, I'm showing you how to use this product, how to look fabulous and sexy every day, anytime. Okay, you can see I apply very close to my lashes this eyeshadow. It's very actually creamy, it's rich, and it's so buttery. Okay, now I have a Chanel brush, and I'm gonna little bit push this color a little bit up and make this eyeshadow looks very soft. Now I'm gonna apply on top eyeshadow, and I know now eyeshadow gonna stay all day, gonna give me extra colors, and definitely we're gonna see sparkly eyeshadow. Now I have concealer brush, and I apply this beautiful rosy color on the center of my eyelid, and I pushing this color a little bit up, and yes, ooh, I do see this beautiful nice glow. It is small tiny sparkles. It's not sparkly eyeshadow, it's not metallic, it's a very good setting finish color. Oh my god, I love this. Now I have a small tiny brush, and this is double-ended brush from Chanel 201, and I'm gonna use this beautiful light pearly eyeshadow underneath. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, and it is white pearly with little bit pinky sparkles. Yes, I definitely see a little bit pinky sparkle here. Oh, I love it. And let's add this light color right here in the corner of my eyes. This color actually don't have much pigment. It's really subtle. All colors pretty subtle, but I feel this one don't have much pigment at all. I need to add couple more times to build a color. Now let's use this chrome eyeshadow in the center of my eyelid. Oh, it's so pretty. I see blue, nice pinky and blue sparkles. Oh my god, it's so pretty. One more time, let's add. It's definitely make my eyes now like more flirty and sparkly. I like it. And I finishing this eye makeup one more time with this cream eyeshadow. I am highly recommend to get this item, because if you want to create this look, you need this. And I just really like this eyeshadow. To make my eye a little bit bigger, I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow underneath, just halfway, and I have a small blending brush, and I'm gonna little bit soft this eyeshadow. And I finishing this look with mascara primer. It's gonna make my eyelashes big and full. Ooh, I love this primer. 1, 2, 3. Let's finish this eye makeup with primer from Chanel, and then I'm gonna use one of my favorite mascara, Minute Bulb from Chanel. Good separation, volume, link, never clumps. I love this mascara. Mascara made a big difference. My eye makeup look very subtle. It's perfect eye makeup look for work. They look flirty, little bit sparkles, not intense. I really like this top eyeshadow. But remember, to create this eye makeup look, I highly recommend to use cream eyeshadow, which one I use. Okay, I'm gonna say bye to this very subtle eyeshadow palette. But let's now play with this beautiful blush. Again, we have 3 colors with you. They are pretty subtle too. I'll say for spring, I think if you like a natural look, you will like this product. If you like something creamy, intense, rich color, this is its May not collection for you. But let's play with blush. I have a small tiny brush. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I want to try this. You can mix all these 3 colors together, but I want to use this light color first on my cheek, and I want to see if this color gonna brighten my cheek or not. Okay, no, it's not. Okay, let's get just a regular brush from Chanel. I'm gonna use all 3 colors together, and let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. I wish they don't put scent, because I'm so allergic to so many different products. But this is such a beautiful blush. Wow, this is truly beautiful color. This is color, it's definitely make me very young and fresh. I love this. Now I'm using this beautiful blush. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's have a pretty nice pigment. It's not a sheer. Oh, it's so pretty. It's bright my cheek. It's make my cheek like I would say nice, bright, and I can see very nice luminosity. Oh, so pretty. I think I need to buy another one just to have. It's a perfect blush. I love this color combination. I like it's matte, but it's bright, and this is what I'm talking about. Give me this beautiful luminosity. Ah, so pretty. Now I have a sample with new illuminator, and I'm gonna put this illuminator little bit right here. I want this extra glow. Oh, it's so pretty. Again, you can use this on top your makeup, under your makeup. You can mix with your foundation. I'm just gonna put just a little bit right here for extra, again, for extra glow, and even a little bit on my nose. It's spring. We wanna glow. So pretty. And let's finish this makeup look with brand new limited edition lipstick, Irel, I believe, 97. Such a beautiful color. It is no sparkles, but it's a long wearing, very shiny lip color, and I personally really like these colors. This collection, I have two colors. This one, it's a, I will say matte, it's a satin finish, I will say lipstick, but another color, very similar but more sheer and have sparkles, and I decided, you know what, I like this better. This is, it's my color. Oh my god, I need to go and buy another one. Such a beautiful color. Wow, what a beautiful lip color. I'm in love with this color. It's a beautiful peachy color with little bit, I will say peachy, soft, with little bit blush undertone. Wow, I am impressed. Okay, from everything what I try, 100% I need to repurchase lipstick, blush, and cream eyeshadow. This is, it's pretty, but it's a little bit too subtle for me. You know, I'm beauty stylist, a little bit like extra colors. But this lip color, oh my god. Guys, let me know in the comments below. I hope you have a fun with me. Let me know, do you like my makeup? Do you like blush or lipstick? What is your favorite items? Love you more than ice cream. I'm smiling because I really like my makeup today.